1. What is granite? Granite, granum equal grains, refers to its coarse grain structure. 1. What is granite? Igneous rock with visible crystalline form and texture. Granum equal grains, refers to its coarse grain structure. Light colors, igneous rock, small amounts of mica and other minerals. Dark, composed of feldspar and quartz. Light colors, quartz, and small amounts of mica and other minerals. Dark. Granite. Quartz. Granite is formed from crystallization of magma under the Earth's surface. Granite. The slower the magma cools, the larger the crystals become. Crystallization of magma under the Earth's surface. Has no fabric. Sedimentary granite cools. Granite, the larger the crystals, is known by its strong fabric. Natural granite has no fabric commercially. Sedimentary granite corresponds with any rock that is hard and has large grains. For example, diorite. Commercially, the word granite corresponds with any rock that is hard and has large grains. Granites come from all over the world. For example, India, Granite, Egypt, etc. Spain, Brazil, Norway, and Africa come from all over the world. Canada and the United States also produce some very good quality granite as well. Brazil, Norway, and where the stone originates has a high impact on the cost of the stone also produce some very good quality granite as well. Red granites where the stone originates has a high impact higher than the other colors because they are more transportation and labor. Red granites and blue granites tend to be priced a bit higher than the other colors because they are more rare, such as pitting, fissures, or dull spots that may at first cause some concern. Many granites have certain natural characteristics such as pitting is normally due to the fact that granite is a natural product that has a crystalline structure. Sometimes resulting in small spaces normally due to varying mineral crystals. Is a natural product that has a crystalline structure. Will not become worse with sometimes resulting in small spaces between the varying mineral crystals. Many types of granite have small fissures or hairline cracks on the surface of the slab. Time, usually more visible in the larger quartz crystals. Many types of granite have small fissures or hairline cracks on the surface of the slab of the stone, usually more visible in the larger quartz crystals. Asterisk fissures are a natural result of the heating and cooling of the stone during its formation. Millions of years may not accept the same level of polish as the rest of the crystal or expand over time, which can result in dull spots. Some components within the granite may not accept the same level of polish as the rest of the crystals in some granite, which can result in dull spots or watermarks. None of these characteristics, often these spots are visible on the darker crystals present in some granites, affect the quality or integrity of the piece of granite in any way. Pits, they are naturally caused from millions of years of volcanic heating, the quality or integrity of the piece of granite in any way. They make the stone unique. They are naturally caused from millions of years of volcanic heating and make it stand out from man-made materials. They make the stone unique. How to differentiate between marble and granite and make it stand out from man-made materials between them in origin, porosity, how to differentiate between marble and abrasion resistant. You can see from tables the difference between them in origin, porosity, hardness, abrasion resistant, shape, price and polishing. 2. Historical background. Ancient Egyptians used Egyptian granite in their temples and monuments, such as Temple of Abu Simbel and their numerous obelisks. Ancient Egyptians used Egyptian granite in their temples and monuments, Egyptian materials such as Temple of Abu Simbel and their numerous outstanding source of marble and granite. Romans recognized the availability of Egyptian materials throughout the empire to consider Egypt as their outstanding source of marble and granite in spite of the easier availability of materials throughout the empire. Marble and granite were used on a limited scale for luxurious buildings and were mainly during the 19th and 20th in century. 1948, marble and granite companies were working on a limited scale for luxurious buildings and were mainly gained importance starting from the late 40s with the construction of the high dam of Aswan that required an incredible amount of stone material. Gained importance starting from the late 50s with the construction of the high dam of Aswan that required an incredible amount of stone material. For the first time, Egypt 5-year plan, 1960-1965, included projects related to the extraction and utilization of ornamental stone. 1960-1965 measure was immediately reflected by a sharp reduction related to the extraction and utilization of ornamental sector in recent times. The measure was immediately reflected by a sharp reduction of public and some private companies were active using old-fashioned sand gang practically started in 1979 where only few public and some private companies were active using old-fashioned sand gang saws. A jump forward privatization trend in the 1990s of the first diamond gang saws started to get massively into marble and granite sector. With the privatization trend in the 1990s, low barriers to entry started to get massively into marble and granite sector. high demand. The sector has limited supply, gained weight in the context of the Egyptian economy, and since then the growth gradually due to the boom in the Egyptian construction industry has started in 1994, which increased the demand on the Egyptian stones, mainly due to the boom in the Egyptian construction industry that started in marble and granite, which increased the demand on the variety of its colors that are now popular worldwide. The competitive advantage of Egyptian marble and granite stone products still need to get recognition as colors that are now popular worldwide. Nevertheless, image of Egyptian stone products has been used for thousands of years in both interior and exterior applications. Uses: outdoors. Granite has been used for thousands of years in both interior and exterior applications, monuments and many other exterior projects. Rough cut and polished granite is used in buildings. Polished granite slabs and tiles are used in monuments and many other exterior projects. Stair treads and many other practical and decorative features. Slabs and tiles are used in countertops. Cairo Tower is based on a granite base. Stair treads and many other practical and decorative features. For example, Cairo Tower is based on a granite base. Granite as a countertop surface provides one of the most attractive and durable surfaces available. Scratch-proof, stain-resistant and heat-resistant. Tolerates exposure to vinegar, citrus juices, and other household substances. Superb antimicrobial quality, which is second only to stainless steel. Granite is easy to clean with just warm water and soft cloth. Due to its high strength, second only to diamond, granite can be used as an aggregate in concrete industry, foundations, roads, tarmacs, etc. Granite is also used in making sculptures. For example, Mount Rushmore is carved on the granite face of a mountain. 4 different kinds of granite. 5 comparison between some of granites, in the color, origin, water absorption, compressive strength, density, flexural strength and recommended usage. Cost and suppliers of granites. Location of different types in Egypt. Geographic distribution and performance of Egyptian quarries. 6 manufacturers/suppliers. Marmanil, Gravel, Hassana, Marble Art Co., Zitown, Sina Tiles, Sina, EGY Marj, Alex Tiles, Rashid, Misra El Noor, Yathreb. 7 Manufacturing process. Quarrying and manufacturing of granite headstones is not as complex as it may seem. The hardest part of the process is locating strong, high-quality granite that is fit for creating monuments, because not all granite is the same. Once the granite is located, the quarrying process begins and large sections of the earth are dug up in order to remove large chunks of the rock. Granites that have smaller grain size are found 30 to 40 km below the Earth's surface and are more expensive to retrieve, thus creating a higher price. Quarrying. The main objective of the quarrying process is to remove large chunks of the rock on Earth's surface to reveal the granite underneath it. Caving methods based on huge blasts of rock were popular in the past. Before the advance of cutting technologies, explosives cause cracks in the rocks. Nowadays, splitting and line drilling are most common. Blocks are shaped and squared by wet shearing. Steps for granite quarrying. What a granite block looks like. Block cutting. The slabs of granite are shipped from the quarry to a stonemason who cuts the granite down further as well as polishes it with a special machine and do any necessary laser engraving, sandblasting, or laser etching the person has ordered. Depending on the desired outcome, this process is done using either a steel gang saw or a diamond wire saw. Good sawing depends on the quality of the sawing machine, the speed of cutting and the flow of water with calcium carbonate, for cooling. Granite processing, production of tiles. Granite blocks cut in slab form, ready for polishing.